If you own a cleaning business and you're tired of marketing agencies making you false promises, then this video is for you. In the past few months, I've been working with cleaning businesses and I have been helping them book commercial clients and residential clients through a system we developed which includes cold calling and social media ads. You can see below me that these are 3 cleaning businesses I've been working with as we speak, but there is a reason why I have 100% success rate with every client I'm working with. It is because we only take businesses that we genuinely believe that we can actually help. If we know we can't get them commercial clients or residential clients, we're not taking them. And we only want clients that will have long-standing relationship with them. Some cleaning businesses are not ready for growth, but maybe we can help yours. I really can't tell yet, but click the button below to see how our system works and how we have used this exact system to help other cleaning businesses as well.